Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have your coach Ralph Cafor, Kat Aradan, and Liam Malaluan of the PLCC High School Hitters in important against Coach University. Coach, congratulations, back-to-back championships for PLDT. Slow start nung unang, pero ang ganda ng recovery into the second set and onwards. Siguro, can you talk about natin yung performance ng PLDT na talagang nilaban against Coach University?
Yun nga, fairness talaga kay Kobe din. Yung level talaga nila, compared to nakalaban namin sila ng eliminations, sobrang pinagandaan today. So, yung level nila yung gustong-gusto talaga namin magaya. Hopefully na, yun nga, ganun katsaga, ganun kasipag, ganun kabilis. Yun lang, mahirap na mahirap lalo nung first set. Pero, siguro dahil may mga basis na kami nung mahihirap din, nakatulong sa amin na Iranos. So, naging ganun lang talaga ulit yung mentality, yung one point at a time lang talaga kami. Pero yun nga, sobrang proud lang din ako na ginapang ng players, saka happy ako na from on tour na wala sila alas players na nabigyan ko rin sila ng championship ngayon.
Thank you, Coach. And finals MVP, Kat Aradan with 22 excellent picks in this game. Yun nga nabanggit ni Coach na talagang tinapatan nyo rin yung bilis ng kilos ng Kobe Shinwa. So personally, gano'n ka lang din baka-proud sa sarili mo and sa team na nakuha nitong championship against a good team like Kobe Shinwa?
Parang kulang yung proud, yung word na proud talaga. Yung nag-feel ko ngayon talaga. Kasi alam talaga namin hindi siya magiging madali for us. Kasi knowing, tsaka yung nakita namin yung mga games nila, previous games nila, bago kami. Talagang grabe yung pasensya nila, yung tiyaga nila, na ilaban every point. So talagang kailangan namin yon tapatan or higitan, na hindi kami makukubusan ng pasensya. So ganun talaga, sobrang proud lang talaga ako, lalo na. Grabe kasi yung coach, grabe sila magtiyaga mag-fit sa amin talaga ng every rotation, sumisigaw sila. Parang feeling ko sila yung pinakapagod na pagod yung vocal cords. Kakasigaw. Kaya parang sila nag-concert siguro. Kasi sinisigaw nila. Kasi nga, very tricky din yung mga every rotation. So kailangan talaga, ano talaga yung contribution talaga ng lahat yun. Simula coaches and then sa players.
And in this game, you scored 15 points against Kobe Shinwa. This is also your PBL Finals debut officially. So can you talk about naman yung emotions that you felt after winning this championship?
Siyempre, I'm really happy that I was able to play with the team, and grabe yung pagod, like, perseverance of everyone. Sobrang hands down ako kasi grabe talaga. And at the same time, I look forward ko pa yung more championships with the team kasi kaya naman naman din. And I'm really happy that I am playing with this set of teammates. And siyempre yung coaching staff, sobrang tiyaga nila, especially sa akin. Kasi as someone who's like training with the team for like a few weeks na yung ata, na solid talaga sa 6. Sobrang hindi nila ako pinababayaan sa loob ng court. Yeah.
We also have your conference MVP, Samuel Star. And in this game, you scored 20 points, 9 excellent digs, and 18 excellent receptions against Kobe Shinwa. So can you talk about just the entire feeling, emotions that you felt after winning this championship against a good team like Kobe?
With a team like Kobe, you have to stay in control. Any opportunity that you give them, they're definitely going to take advantage of. So, you know, it's the reminders that we talk about on the court. We have to call out who's going where, what's happening, and all that stuff. And, you know, it's definitely not a one-man job. You need to hear things from every place. You need to trust each other. So as much as I want to say, like, I was locked in, it had to be everybody that was locked in. I mean, coaching staff, bench, whatever it was, we all had to know what was going on to make sure that we handled this properly. So I'm glad that, you know, it was well executed. I'm glad that it went the way it did. So I'm just happy and I'm blessed to be here.
Coach, after nung slow start na yung first set, paano yun lang sila motivate? And paano kayo nag-regroup para makuha? Lalo na yung sumunod na to, sobrang naging tikita yun na.
Actually, hindi na yung sa motivation na yung pag-remind na lang talaga sa kanila na maging present kahit sobrang bilis ng mga nangyayari. Tapos, going to this game naman talaga yung yung focus na yung patience naman talaga namin yung madetest. Kasi nga sobrang hirap nilang kalaro. Yun lang talaga siguro sumabay rin yung mga good breaks, lalo nung nahabol namin yung second set. So yun na, nung nag-third and fourth, anybody's game na nga ulit. Pero at least, importante talaga na na-recover namin yung first set na litong-lito kami nung simula. Dahil sobrang pinagandaan talaga.
Ang bibilis.
Aliga yun nga nabanggit ko nung pagpasok mo ng invitation na gusto mo rin maranasan yung championship na naglalaro. Gano'n lang ang full feeling ko na ito nakuha mo yung championship and naka-contribute ka sa team this conference.
Siyempre, sobrang fulfilling yun. Kasi finally, I've been waiting for this time. Kasi siyempre, ibang rookies, they've been playing with other teams, with their teams. So parang nag-look forward ko din talaga makapag-play with the team. And I'm really blessed with everything that's dumadating sa akin.
Kat, you won your first championship 2 weeks ago, ngayon first finals MVP din. So parang ano lang sinasabi nito about kumbaga yung age at yung tagal sa volleyball na kahit maraming mga bagong pumapasok, parang pinatunayan today na it's never too late din to kumbaga rise and reach a new level sa PBL.
Shocks, naganda ko ba? Uy, hindi naman. Actually, yung malaking tulong talaga yung binibigay na challenge and mindset ng mga coaches ko. Hindi lang siya sa game sa training na kailangan, lagi na kami nire-remind, lalo na si coach talagang yung alagaan yung katawan, tapos yung mindset na dapat sa training pa lang pupukan na, yung kailangan paghirapan mo yung every opportunity na dumadating. So, thankful lang din talaga ako na actually sila yung nakasama ko. Kasi nga, yung pasensya nila sa akin na i-feed, yun din yung siguro nagiging successful. Kaya din hanggang ngayon, nandito pa rin ako, naglalaro. And siguro din, kasi komportable din talaga ako sa yung mga kasama ko. Yung walang filter yung ginagalaw ko, walang hesitation. Kasi alam nila paano ako maglaro, alam ko din paano sila maglaro. So, nagko-complement lang talaga yung mga players to each other. So, ganun. Kaya siguro, na-maintain ko din kung ano yung, na-maintain at iniigitan ko yung everyday.
And for Sabi, you talked about sacrifices even before you got to the team. You went through a lot of almost, a lot of heartbreaks as well. But now with 2 championships, how have you grown not only as an athlete but also as a person in terms of taking risk and facing uncertainty, even though the guarantee isn't always there? But today at least it was for you.
I think the hard part now is just not to get comfortable. A lot of people make it great and then kind of fall off. So I think our job from here on out is not to kind of look back and see how hard, like obviously recognize how hard it was to get here, but what it looks like from here on out. There's going to be a lot more sacrifices, a lot more days that we don't want to show up, but we do, a lot more blood, sweat, and tears. So all I can speak about is, how we can maintain that going forward and, how we can thrive from here on out.
And for Aliyah, you've won championships in the college level before. What part of that championship DNA in the UAE or in LaSalle did you see with this PLP team, or you also needed to bring out the team in order to win this championship?
Siyempre yung tiwala namin sa isa't isa doon. Kasi, iba din talaga yung nabibigay ng motivation and push sa akin sa loob ng court. Kasi nakikita ko sila ate nag-work hard, hindi sila nag-give up, hindi nagpatalo. So parang, siyempre, I wanna be in that level din. Kahit na parang there like times na nag-off ako. Pero yung ginagaslight ko na rin sa sarili ko, which is really helpful. Kasi sobrang kailangan kong bumalik talaga. Kasi I know, malaki din yung role ko sa loob ng court.
For Kat, obviously, a couple of years now with the team. And may mga times kasi the previous seasons na parang close enough na kayo but never yung nag-get over yung hump and now back-to-back championships. In your opinion, as one of the leaders in the team, ano yung pinaka-nagbago among yourself or your teammates na nag-lead dun sa ganitong klaseng success with the team?
Parang siguro yung simula kasi nung under, parang grabe na yung hindi lang physically yung parang tinrabaho ng bawat isa. Yung mentally, yung mental toughness na yung sinasabi. Siguro malaking tulong din talaga yung mga almost, yung heartbreaks. Kasi nga, yun yung parang naging motivation namin na pag nandun kami sa ganung sitwasyon, parang alam namin yung kailangan namin gawin. Kasi hindi lang din naman sa isang side lang. Parang kailangan din namin hanapin yung kung ano ba, saan ba kami nagkulang. So lahat naman. So inaccept lang din talaga ng bawat tao yung role ng team, sa team. So napadali din siguro dahil na nakikinig yung bawat isa sa mga instruction ng coaches. So siguro yung pinaka-key talaga is yung sa mental talaga na piniga talaga kami ngayon na coach kung paano kami ngayon, kung paano i-compose yung isa't isa.
Sabi, we saw you go up in Salo. Can you talk about celebrating this your second championship with your family?
Well, I missed the first one. They were actually in the lower box. That was considered patron, but it was a little bit far, so I had to go up. But I mean, they're a big reason why I'm here. They're the closest I can get to my mom right now, so I feel like sharing this moment with them and, you know, having them support me through. I mean, when I even started volleyball is a big thing, and to finally come back full circle and have this moment in front of them means a lot to me. So I'm glad that I can, you know, share it with them and, you know, have them part of the journey.
For Coach Ral, ngayon po PLDT na yung pangatlong team na nagkaroon multiple PBL titles kayo. For so long, umikot sa dalawang team yung PBL in terms of championships. Nakikita niyo po ba yung future moving forward na magiging regular title contender na rin yung PLDT? Kumbaga first or second of many pa lang po ba itong title ko yung para sa inyo?
Siguro since nung nagkaroon na movement na lumikot kami ng PLDT, yun naman talaga yung goal nila ever since. Yun lang, moving forward, kailangan talaga namin i-face yung conference ng parang kami yung nagugutom pa rin. Pero yun nga, to think na or to consider na kami na yung palagi na wala namang ganong assurance. Lalo sa future, kasi tulad ng mga lessons namin from the players na lumipat na nung binibuild namin yung team. So wala talaga siyang assurance kung gaano katagal din kami magkasama-sama. Pero yun nga, ang binabagit ko sa kanila, habang kung sino yung nandyan, susulit na talaga namin.
Coach, looking forward na sa first. Ang classic import with Hannah.
Yun pa rin yung malaki pa rin yung load ng outside. So regardless kung sinong outside sa locals yung gamitin or i-convert ko kung ano man, for sure mga pag-ana pa rin naman. Pero yun nga, yung mga nilalabas ngayon ng mga news na mga possible imports sa mga kalaban, hindi talaga siya magiging madali kasi lahat yun high caliber na yun. So definitely malaking challenge ulit para sa atin.
Sure na yan? Wala nang abot? Picture ka lang.
Oy, dali.